Subscribe.
We're bringing you another Moko Moko Japanese candy toy. I'm sure most of you have seen the Japanese toilet candy ones, so now I want to show you the washing machine ones. I have 4 boxes, and they should all be different colors, so let's open them up. Let's start with this red box. And if I'm correct, it should be a red washing machine. Yes, it is! Here's the candy powder, and it's yogurt flavor. And we also get a straw. Here are all the pieces to make the washing machine. And we get stickers to decorate it. Alright, so I'll start by snapping all of these pieces off. Here's the front of the washing machine. Here's a scooper. This piece will go inside the washing machine. Here's the gear to work the washing machine. And this is the back of the washing machine. Now I'll assemble it. Just give me a quick second. Alright, the washing machine is complete. So what you do is open this up, add the powder and water, and turn the gear to make it fizz up. You can also attach your scooper to the side right here. Alright, it's time to bring life to this red washing machine. Give me a moment while I transform it. Whoa, this washing machine's eyes are burning! Okay, now let's fast forward and make the rest of these characters. This white washing machine is all smiles and has sparkly eyes. Uh-oh, I think it got hurt though. It has a band-aid. This pink washing machine is giving us a big wink. And she has hearts on the side. And last but not least, here's the blue washing machine. He looks determined. Woohoo! And money on the side. This one must be rich. Now the moment we've all been waiting for. Time to make some sweet treats. There's a fill line in there, so I'll pour water up to that line. And then add the powder. Use the scooper. Pour in 2 scoops. And then just start turning the gear. After a little while, it should start fizzing up. let this washing machine go. Uh-oh, there's too much soap. There's only one thing to do. I have to drink it. It's very tarty, and you can taste the yogurt flavor. This is really good. I would drink this all day. Let's make some more. The white washing machine is ready to go. Clean away. Oh no! I put too much detergent! It's going to overflow! Whoa, this one's super soapy! It's time to use the pink washing machine! I love this yogurt powder! Hyperdrive! Oh, someone pull the plug on the machine! It's going crazy! Soap is going down the pink washing machine's face! So I shouldn't be in charge of laundry duty. Well, this was a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to watch more. See you soon. Hey everyone, Awesome4Kids here, and today we're bringing you another do-it-yourself Japanese candy kit. With this one, we can make a gummy pop shaped like a person. To begin, let's check everything out in the package. Here are all the powder packets we'll need. This one is to make a brown colored gummy. This one is a red colored gummy. And this is the gummy pop mix. Here are the two gummy pop sticks. Here are all the things we can make to decorate our lollipop. We get this hair clip tweezer to pick up the candy. And now let's start by making our brown colored gummy. We'll need a microwavable cup. Now just pour the packet into the cup. Fill water into this tray. And pour it into the cup as well. Now give it a mix until all the powder dissolves. Microwave for 20 seconds. And our gummy is ready. Let's use a spoon to pour the brown colored gummy onto the mold tray. We could create different hairstyles, a peace sign, winks, eyes, and more. Now let's make the red colored gummy. Follow the same steps as before. Microwave for 20 seconds. And our red colored gummy is ready. Now let's pour this on the other half of the tray. This half has hair accessories, lips, smiles, and more fun stuff. Okay, now let's make our gummy pop. For this, we'll need milk instead of water. Pour it into a cup. And we'll need 2 trays of milk. Mix until all the powder dissolves. Microwave for 40 seconds. And our gummy pop mix is ready. Before you pour it into the tray, place the lollipop sticks on the tray first. And now pour the gummy pop mix up to the fill line. And then we refrigerate the gummy and gummy pops for 90 minutes. Alright, now let's take the gummies out of the mold. Here's a cool hairdo. Ooh, check out this red bow. And fast forward, I went ahead and took all the gummy shapes out of the tray. Now let's take the gummy pops out of the tray. Alright, time for the fun part. It's time to decorate. Give this gummy pop some hair, eyes, a nice smile, rosy cheeks, a bright red bow, and a red star hairpin. Let's make another one. Here's a different hairstyle. We'll make this one pretty wacky and cute. Now, if you're wondering what it tastes like, you would think it would be strawberry and soda flavor, but I can't really tell what the flavor is by tasting it. And the lollipop itself, also not quite sure what the flavor is, but it is more of a creamy flavor, probably because of the milk. But overall, it was pretty good. I just wish I knew what the flavors were. Well, this was a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to watch more. See you soon.